What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana, which has dropped quite a bit even in the last couple of days. As you can see, it's been more or less fluctuating just under the $15 mark. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is how low can it go? Is it going to drop below the $10 mark? Is it going to hit $5 over the coming months, especially going into 2023, which is just around the corner? Is it going to keep dropping, or is it going to pump back up in value? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it a risky investment? Obviously Solana was one of the top cryptos, and right now has dropped majorly, especially what happened a month ago. It hasn't even recovered ever since. It's been more or less fluctuating at the current price range. So we're going to be looking at this prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and over the long run, over the next few weeks and next few months as well. How far can it go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and the market is down just over 1%, and Solana especially is down nearly 3% in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, just about 1%. Over the week, more or less fluctuation, as you can see, has been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it has been fluctuating at around $13, and over the month it is a massive 60% down, guys, which is not looking too good. As you can see, it was fluctuating around $32 a month ago, and right now has dropped all the way down to $13. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 22% in the last 24 hours, and the trading volume right now is $241 million. It's still quite high, however, it was trading in its billions about a month or two ago. A lot of people were trading, a huge amount of money was being traded, buyers and sellers, but right now, as you can see, it's dropped quite majorly and has gone about, 240 million, which is not that great compared to how much it was before. But anyways, we still have a lot of people buying into it, buying the dips, and we've also got a lot of people selling it, getting rid of the Solana because they don't believe in the project, especially after what happened to Terra Luna about 7-8 months ago at the start of the year. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently giving us the average value of $13.56. However, we can see Solana trading at a slightly higher value at $13.63, meaning it's performing quite well. However, that is dependent on what's happened over the last few weeks, but overall, looking at its last 6 months or a year's chart, it is not performing too well at all. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they're not looking too steep at all. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect it to more or less head about $13.80, nearly hitting the $14 mark is what I'm expecting. But again, nothing too crazy. It's going to be a very minimal increase in value, even though yes, we are going to see red candles in between. The overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are not looking too great here. We can clearly see that the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the blue line, just about slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially both the lines are going towards the negative side, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, I'm expecting Solana to be trading around the $13 mark is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this does not mean we're going to be hitting red days every single day. day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but the change in between, the value is going to be very, very minimal. But as I mentioned earlier, is likely to be moving towards the negative direction rather than the positive direction. Moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here now? Surprisingly, we are looking quite positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line slightly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the coming weeks, so now we are heading into 2023. So guys, mid-Jan to late January, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Solana. Hopefully heading to around the $17 to $18 mark is what I'm expecting. And again, it could be way above or way below that depending on how the crypto market performs, especially with any major bull runs, major price bumps or major crashes. This will have a major impact on the value of not just Solana but the whole crypto market in general, and anything like that I will try my best to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good guys. Going into 2023 we are looking quite positive. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Solana, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, at the moment there isn't much we can do. Only reason for that is not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are trading in the lower part of the red zone. And for us to hit the resistance line to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $62, which you are not even close to. It's going to require Solana to go for a major, about 200 to 300% increase for it to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Solana anytime soon. So more or less, guys, we are stuck in the red zone potentially for the next 4 to 6 months. Again, hopefully after that we should be able to head into the green zone, but again it depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and what your predictions are. Are you guys buying, are you selling, or are you just holding on to it? Comment down below. I personally am just holding on to it at the moment. I'm expecting it to drop further, but again, depending on any news that I come across and so on, I may be investing more into it. But at the moment I'm just holding on to all the Solana that I've got. I haven't bought more and I haven't sold any of what I've got. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. I'm very intrigued to see what your expectations are, so don't forget to comment down below. And yeah, on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. Yes, I know we've only got about 3 weeks left for the end of the year, so please guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.